Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes. It's snowing. We're sat in our motorhome at home. What's happening?
It is snowing a lot. This afternoon, Slaw is going to show you his doofer. That's what I call it. A few of you have asked how we watch F1 when we're here in Helga. So you've got to pretend right now that we're in his comfy clothes. It's dark.
Yeah.
We've got the F1 on. We've got a nice drop of red, cheese and biscuits, and that's what Slaw's going to show, how we managed to get the sound to be of a really good quality and how we watch the F1. So it's a review of a doofer, and I'm sure he'll tell you the real name for it.
Yeah, it's basically a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, but I'll show you how we do it. Might not suit everybody. It depends what you've got as to whether it'll work, and that includes your stereo, which we'll show you. So we used to use the telly a lot, which, to be fair, we don't these days. We've got an Avtex, and when we used to use that, the TV was really tinny. So what Slaw thought was, there must be a way of doing it. So I bought a little transmitter. So this is just a transmitter, a Bluetooth transmitter. Excuse the tie wrap, that's where we damaged it, but it still works. So what I did, I bought this and I teamed it up, put it into my telly. Headphone socket or audio out. Job done. Simples. So what we did originally, we had it on the telly, and then we've got a Bluapunkt. Excuse me. Yeah, sat nav's done one. And this particular model, and I don't know just the model, but I'll put it in the comments. This model has inputs, but you can also Bluetooth it. So what I did originally was I linked the transmitter to the stereo, and we tried to play the telly back through direct through here, which worked, but there was about a 2-second delay, so it wasn't very good. It was a bit weird to watch, so we couldn't get on with it. So then I thought, right, we need to alter this. So then I thought, right, we'll buy a receiver. So this one is a receiver. It's a different make. Now there's loads of different makes, and I'll show you one that's on Amazon that looks exactly like this. It's a different make, so I think they're just made by the same people in China, I presume. And I think they're £23, £24. Now this can receive or transmit, this one, so it can do both. That one over there can only do transmitting. So we've got it on receive. So on the stereo, sometimes it can be behind a panel, like on ours, because it doesn't look like there's anything. When you flick the panel out with your finger, and then we've got a USB and a headphone socket, which we use for our Alexa car thing.
That's a technical term, that.
Car thing, yeah. So into there, onto your AV. Job done. So I just had to tune the telly because it won't tune in for this area, so we don't use it a lot. Right, so telly on. Now it's running through its own speaker. So if I, so that it's okay, but we like a better sound. So if I now plug this in, we now have got it running through the stereo, which if I turn that up, so that's now played. Mrs. Slaw sits down into where she will be sitting normally. Now you should be able to hear what. So the difference is just, well, you can't really argue with that, can you? Pretty damn nice. So that's how we do it on our telly. Rest my case. Okay, as technology's moved on and we've got Sky at home, we have Sky Go. Now, somebody might be able to tell me how I can put it on there. I don't think I can on my Avtex. So we've got an iPad Pro. It's quite an old one now, it's 2017, but it's good. So what we'll do now is we'll get Sky Go on and we'll show you the difference there. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'll play, we'll put a music channel on, hopefully. Anton Dubeck. Is he off Strictly? Isn't he?
See what's coming up on the show.
So,
It's montage time.
we're normally sat here. So that's the sound now through your iPad. Again, same thing. Just find me headphone outlet. And turn that down.
Party time.
Brilliant. And like I say, I'll show you on Amazon. They're about £23–24 each. So you're probably better getting 2 of these now. That one, which can transmit or receive. So 2 of them, 46, under £50, and you can play it like that. As long as you've got an input on your stereo on your motorhome. So this is a film that we're watching, or we're not watching, we're showing you. This is a film now running through the speakers, and again, chalk and cheese, I think. This is Slaw, chalk and cheese.
These are the toys from my childhood.
Okay.
Jewelry box? Yeah. I used to have one just like that.
Yeah, buy them if you've got the stereo. Well worth the investment. No wires. The only thing you've got is that, and the other one. That's it. We have another piece of tech as well, an Avtex Wi-Fi system, which we will show you in another vlog. So that's it for today then, Mrs. Slaw. Yeah.
Should we do that again?
Wonky. So, that's it for today, Mrs. Slaw.
That's my cue to talk. Yeah, our friends that have asked how we do our sound system, hopefully that has answered your questions today. I'm really impressed with this little bit of kit of Slaw's, his doofer as I call it, because that's all you have in the van. You haven't got wires trailing all over. It's a really neat bit of kit.
And one thing I didn't tell you, while we are signing off, is that these are rechargeable. So, and they last, I think it's up to about 14 hours. So basically, plug it in, and then into your USB in your van. USB charger, charge them up. We've run them all night, haven't we? No problem, no problems. So yeah, great piece of kit.
So we're gonna brave this snow now. Go back in the house. We've got lamb shanks cooking in the oven and a nice drop of red waiting for us. Cheers.
Cheers.
If you like what you've seen, give us a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of when we upload more content, don't forget to ring that bell. And if you want to come with us on more of our adventures, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget, we're also on Instagram and Facebook now, dragging ourselves into the 21st century.
Slowly
You're
but
not going to
surely.
speak again, are you? Until next time, friends. Bye.
Bye.